What's up, fam? We are back out in these Amazon streets getting my son trained on his first post office route. He got just a tad bit spoiled with running Amazon to Amazon. He thought he saw a ghost when he had to load 12 pallets and unload all 12. I was laughing so hard because he's still trying to adjust moving that pallet jack around with the pallets on them. He needed to get a real feel of moving these pallets around at the wee hours in the morning. Oh my God. Back, you gotta back up, bro. Turn it straight. Yes, straight, and go back. Oh my God, what is you doing? What is you doing, man? Pull it back out, straighten it up. Let it down, let it down. Let it down, let it down. Amazon to Amazon sometimes can be just cages or a mixture of both pallets and cages. He wasn't moving faster than the time that we had to load up the truck and not be late. So I had to take over on the loading portion of his load, but we got everything loaded on time and dropped before schedule. Work, 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 work. You got it. Come out of here faster than that. There you go. What's good, y'all? We out here. I just happened to be cruising the load board, seen the load pop up out here at KCLT. About to head over to CLT 5. It's like 23 miles. Like $9 and something cents per mile. I think they only putting a couple of roller carts on here. I do have to unload when I get over to CLT 5, but you know, it's been real tight with Amazon out here lately. But and I ain't gonna lie, I don't be stalking the load board like I used to, but now I've been kind of not stalking it, but I've been watching it a little more closely just to see what loads pop up. I did see another load similar to this one pop up earlier, but another one popped up, so I was able to snatch this one up. Somebody beat me to the punch on the last one, but yo, they be on that load board out here. They be heavy in these streets right now. So yeah, we out here, man. Quick $9 and something a mile. I think it was like $2.20 something like that, but it's only 23 miles, 24 miles. So yeah, we out here. But of course, you know, I gotta do the pallet jack test. I only got one strap back there, so I gotta make sure the straps in the pallet jack is on the truck. Don't let them take your stuff. It will come up MIA if you don't keep your eyes on it. Big thanks to today's video sponsor, OTR Solutions. Are you thinking about how to set yourself up for long-term success? It's critical to make smart financial planning decisions, which is why I've partnered with OTR Solutions, a leading freight factoring provider. Did you know that carriers who factor are over 30% more likely to still be in business 5 years later? OTR can help you factor your invoices so that you can get paid within 24 hours and have the cash on hand to handle your day-to-day expenses. Be sure to check them out by clicking on the link in the description below and tell them Bigg Vic sent you.
Give thanks, so when me a bleed. Set speed, I carry on now. Big man in town, them shoulda know say me I keep it ground. Yeah. Plant seeds, work feed. Enough of them want ready band. When the food gone so long, them run. And them can't be found, still man fight the fight, me nah give it.
If you're deciding to start a box truck business in 2024, Amazon Relay is going to definitely be better in certain markets than others. I'm gonna keep it a buck with y'all. This Charlotte market is definitely hit or miss. There are some new snipers out here that are out sniping me, grabbing those last minute loads faster than a cat can lick his backside. Your trigger finger and eyes have to be able to assess the pickup times and be ready to hit book at the same time. For real, for real. I'm gonna definitely have to start posting my truck a lot more than I've been doing if I plan on running Amazon freight in my market efficiently.
All of me goodness and glory abide by my side, yeah. Knock it, come in, knock we till the work done. Winner, lose a man, a winner, and that's for certain. Never take no program, come me and me own dance. So me go and chad and chad and chad. Tell them I'm a winner, yeah. Not pop down, not Joe, not turn in a sinner. Oh, man, still a believer. Even if we get that gone, we keep the bounce. I see me front, you got me from a little and I grow. Come on, a winner, yeah. Still a believer. Tell them I'm a winner. Oh, 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 oh. Not pop down, not Joe, not turn in a sinner. Yeah, still a believer. Even if we get knocked down, we keep the bounce. Now see me front, you got me from a little and I grow. Come on, a winner. Still I believe.
We done for now.
Every single day I feel the Every single day I feel the pressure. Double up the work, let's make it extra. Working so my mother get a rest, yeah. Working like I never knew I'm best, yeah. Every single day I feel the pressure. Diamonds in my eyes, I know I'm special. In the gym, I gotta get my reps up. In the gym, I gotta get my work in. I can't leave it out of chance, let's make it certain. Yeah, I had to lose it all to find my purpose. Yeah, but I won't do that twice, it made me nervous. Let's get to working. I'm like check one, check two, gonna get these bands now. Want this, want that, gotta be stand up. Jokes on you, boy, tell me you the man now. Every single day I feel the pressure.
All right, y'all. Feel much better out here. Whose world is this? Welcome to my world. Let's go, baby. Let's get it. Let's eat. What is good, beautiful people? Yo, we back. So today, I just happen to be out here in Colombia. I still go to my orthodontist out here. I'm almost done, about to get these braces off. Yeah, I think I got like another month or two left. Tomorrow's my daughter's birthday. Y'all can't see her arrangement right now, but I got her arrangement. And since I'm in Colombia today, I was gonna go ahead and deliver her a nice little arrangement that I got her for her birthday with a couple of cards. She is at the hairdresser right now. I'm about to roll up on her. I just asked her where she was at. She's like, I'm at the hairdresser. I'm pulling up. I'll see her in a second. Just wanted to surprise her. I can't believe this girl is turning 30 years old today. I mean tomorrow. I'm really an OG now. I'm officially an OG. I've come to grips with it. I'm officially an OG. Wow, this is crazy. Life goes like this. Life goes by like this, y'all. And I turn 50 next month.
Damn! I'm sorry.
Ooh-wee, 5-0. Still don't know what I'm gonna do for my 50th. I'm gonna do something. Don't know exactly what I'm gonna do just yet, but yeah, that's wild, y'all. That is wild. But it is what it is. It is what it is. Yeah.